Welcome to the Suffolk Street job site, hosted to you today by Saville. We are walking through the kitchen right now in a historic 1860s house. Everything was gutted, all new plumbing put in for the upstairs, the ventilation. All of this will be sealed in with a bulkhead uniform to go around the entire kitchen. All new subfloor in here. All new electrical, all new plumbing. These are the custom stairs that the owner purchased. Let me tell you, when I say custom, it means it came with 2 steel rungs and some glass, and I have to custom everything. No instructions, no glass. All I'm going is by a couple of text messages. But I can build anything. Here you have the living room. We had to frame out this wall so we get the cold air return in here. As well as we got ventilation back in here. Yeah, all new subfloors in here as well. Take you to the office. We framed up all these walls for this office back in here. All subfloors through here as well. A lot of work on the subfloors. Whole house drops 4 inches from one side to the other. The whole baseboard's been opened up for electrical, as well as we're insulating the bottom, say 2 feet of these walls. Other than that, no insulation. We'll go up the stairs. This all had to be cut out. I had to put this new beam in here. There was no structure to this floor up here. Mind you, we did cut a chunk out. The stairs used to go the opposite way. We reversed the stairs. Here's the upstairs bathroom. Had to customize the tub a little bit. That'll all be nicely uniform once the finishing comes and goes. I don't know how well my video is going to be. I'm filming with a tablet. But yeah, that's the bathroom. We walk around through here. Master bedroom, all new subfloors. Those are the pocket door, the frame for the pocket doors. The doors slide into the wall. So we will slide this door open imaginatively. Here's the master bathroom. That's the membrane for the walk-in shower, fully custom. I'll be building. Here's the plumbing for it all. And come on out of the master suite. Come on into the walk-in closet, like every woman needs. Nice big walk-in closet. Good size anyway. I don't know how many clothes somebody needs, but laundry room. Not much to see there. What you see is what you get. All these doorways had to be reinforced. New door jambs put in because they were built for 5-foot people rather than anybody over 5 feet. Here is the wall that I had to put a frame wall up here because behind it was about 1.5 inches planking straight across. That's what the entire wall was, 1.5 inches thick. So we'll soundproof that with some insulation, drywall, bam. Here's another bedroom. I had to put up some framework in here for a closet. Now this house is so out of square and so unlevel that anywhere I put up framework that's straight, it looks drastically crooked because of the rest of the room. But rest assured, I have a level and a square on everything that I build. take you downstairs, down, down, down. I'm not going to show you the basement because it's nothing to see. And here's the house. Thank you.